Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will send you how to send money to another Wise account. Let's say for example you wanted to pay someone using Wise and you wanted to pay him into his Y account. You can actually do that in pretty simple and you will not even pay fees like that. So what you must do is, if you are using your phone, just open your application, or else if you are using your PC, you have to go to your browser and open Wise just like so. So from here guys, what you're gonna do is just open this page and the browser will be opened. So here we choose Wise register. So if you haven't an account already, click on register. Here you put your information like email, phone number, and then password, and after you finish you can just click on log in, and here you will find your account. So now let's say that you have created your account and you're logged in, so the page will be opened just like so. Now what you need to do is click on basically send money. Here you choose same currency if it is like the same currency. So let's say for example we want to send the same currency, which is euro to euro. Here we choose the fast transfer or the low cost transfer or the easy transfer. So let's choose for example the low cost transfer. Click on continue. Here we choose either account we have like personal or business. So let's choose the personal account. Here we put our informations like full legal full name, legal date of birth, phone, your address, and everything must be correct and nothing must be wrong. After that you have to send them a proof of you that you are a legal person, so that you send a picture of you and an ID card, like it can be even passport card or your driving license. After that they will do a review on your account. When they will end with that review and accept that request, you will have to pass the address mail of your Wise of the other person Wise account, and just like so you will have to send him money and he must accept to receive the money from his part, and just like that you will be able to send money to another Wise account. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.